Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are going to extract nouns from our chapter itself. Our chapter name is The Missing Honey Pot. We are going to read the chapter and find out the nouns from there, and we will take that nouns and write it in our notebook. So let's start.
Okay, so how many nouns you have written, children? First one is T-O-D, Todd. That is the name of the bear in our chapter. Number 2, B-E-A-R, bear. Bear is the name of an animal. So again it is a noun. Number 3, H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Honey is the name of a thing which we eat. So honey is again a noun. Okay. Now what is the next letter after honey in our chapter? Honey pot. So pot is again a thing in which honey is kept. Okay. We can keep anything in that pot, but in our chapter honey is kept in a pot. So pot is again a thing. So we will write here P-O-T, pot. Okay. P will touch the lower red line and T will start from the upper red line. Okay. I hope you can see my notebook clearly, children. Number 4 is P-O-T, pot. Pot is a thing in our chapter in which honey is kept. So again it is a noun. Okay. Now come to the second line. H-E-He, L-O-O-K-E-D. L-O-O-K, look, E-D, looked. Okay. He looked, E-V-E-R-Y. I repeat, E-V-E-R-Y, everywhere, W-H-E-R-E, everywhere. He looked everywhere. You have to repeat after me, children. I-T, it. W-A-S, was. N-O-T, not. It was not. Under. U-N, un. D-E-R, der. Under. U-N-D-E-R, under. H-I-S, his. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Now, what is noun in this line? B-E-D, bed. Bed is a thing where we sleep at night. So, our next noun is bed. This is our fifth one. Right, children? B-E-D, bed. Now, B and D will start from the upper red line. Okay? Write with me, children. B-E-D, bed. Okay. Next line. I-T, it. W-A-S, was. It was. N-O-T, not. O-N, on. H-I-S, his. It was not on his. B-double-O-K, book. B-double-O-K, book. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Bookshelf. Now, bookshelf is a thing where we keep the books. So, this is a thing again. It becomes a noun. So, our next word is bookshelf. You can see the spelling from the book or from my notebook. Okay? Start from the upper red line, children. B double O K. Now again K, you will start from upper red line and come to the lower blue line. I have told you earlier also, children, if you will start from upper red line and come to the lower red line. Okay. Shelf. Bookshelf. I repeat the words. First one is T-O-D, Todd. Check it out, children. Second one, B-E-A-R, bear. Third one, H-O-N-E-Y, honey. Fourth one, P-O-T, pot. Fifth one is B-E-D, bed. Sixth one, B-O-O-K, book. S-H-E-L-F, bookshelf. B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Bookshelf. That's quite okay. Now the seventh one. What is the seventh letter? Just find out. See here. Till bookshelf we have completed. Next is S-O, so. H-E, he. So he. Called. C-A-L-L, call. E-D, called. So he called his, H-I-S, his friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Wabbit, W-A, wa, double B-I-T, bit, wabbit. Now wabbit is the name of a wabbit, the rabbit. So wabbit is the name of a rabbit. So wabbit becomes a noun. And rabbit is the name of an animal. So rabbit is again a noun. Okay. Wabbit, the rabbit. To H-E-L-P, help. H-I-M, him. So what is our next word? See children, I have underlined also. Bookshelf we have done. So he called his friend Wabbit. Wabbit is our next word because it is the name of rabbit. So write here. W-A. Write with me children. See my screen and write. Double B I T. Wabbit. I repeat. W-A double B I T. Wabbit. Now wabbit is the name of a rabbit, which is the name of an animal. Rabbit is the name of an animal. So we will write here rabbit also. Write with me. R A double B I T. Rabbit. I repeat. R A double B I T. Rabbit. Seventh one is W-A double B I T. Wabbit. Okay. Now children, in next 4 lines these same nouns are repeated. Okay. So turn the page. Turn the page. Come to page number 4. Let's see. See here. Some nouns are repeated children, like here wabbit. Suddenly. Wabbit found some drops of honey. Now again honey we have written and Wabbit also we have written. So we will not write again. Near Todd's. Todd also we have written. Remember our first word was Todd. So we will not write again. Near Todd's box of toys. Box of toys. Now what is box? Box is a name of a thing where we can keep our valuable things like pencil, eraser or anything else. So box is a thing and box of toys. Now toys is again a thing with which we can play. So we will write these two words in our box. B O X box. Write it down. B O X box. And our 10th word is toys. T O, yes ma'am, Y S, toys. You can write toy only, okay? Toys are when we have many toys, so we say toys. Write here toy, T O Y, toy. Okay, so this is all for today, children. We have written 10 words in our noun page. Okay, and rest, read the chapter, and if you find any new noun, then you will write here. Okay, rest all nouns are repeated. Let's check out all the 10 words again. Okay, read with me the first one. T-O-D, Todd, which is a name of a bear. Now second one, B-E-A-R, bear, which is the name of an animal. H-O-N-E-Y, honey, is a thing which we can eat. P-O-T, pot, is a thing which we can keep anything. Now in our lesson, honey is kept in the pot. B-E-D, bed, where we sleep at night. It is a thing. B-O-O-K, book. S-H-E-L-F, shelf, book, shelf. Bookshelf is a place, it is a thing where we can keep our books. Okay, if you say it is a place where we can keep our books, then also it is a noun, but it is a thing actually, so again it is a noun. Bookshelf, where we keep our books. Wabbit, W-A-B-B-I-T, wabbit, that is the name of a rabbit in our lesson. And rabbit, which is again an animal. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, name of an animal. So it is a noun. B-O-X, box, which is a thing here. And T-O-Y, toy, again a thing. Box is a thing where we keep our valuable things. And toy is a thing with which we can play. Okay? This is all for today, children.